Hello and welcome to Apex Mathematical Solutions, where we make mathematics easy to understand. Today, we shall be dealing with word problem. Word problem in mathematics test is aimed at testing a student's ability to represent to change mathematical statements into figure. It's always aimed at testing a student's ability to convert some expression in English into mathematical expressions. Okay, for example, here a question is given. It says, if 5 boys were given the sum of 2,000 naira to share, how much did each of them receive? 5 boys were given the sum of 2,000 naira to share, how much did each of them receive? Okay, to solve this question, it is expected that first of all, the student is able to understand what the question says. 5 boys were given 2,000 naira to share. How much did each of them receive? We'll go ahead and step by step solve this question. So, solution. Let's interpret the first statement. 5 boys were given the sum of 2,000 naira. So the first thing we do is we say 5 boys. We want to represent that statement mathematically. Remember, that's what word problem seeks to produce in a student, to change a statement to represent a given statement mathematically. 5 boys equal to 2,000 naira. We'll call this equation 1. Okay, the next statement says, how much did each of them receive? For you to know how much each of the boys receive, you should be able to represent that in a mathematical expression too. As you say, you want to know how much one boy receives. So we say one boy will now be equal to, we don't know, we have to look for to know how much each of the boy receives, so we can represent that as x. Okay, where x is equal to the amount received by each of the boys. So we call this equation 2. So the next thing we would do is to cross multiply equation 1 and 2. So we go ahead and say cross multiply equation 1 and 2. We have, okay, 5 boys. When we cross multiply, this is what we have. 5 boys. Okay, that's to say we'll take whatever is here, multiply to this, and whatever we have here is multiplied to this. So 5 boys times x equal to 1 boy times 2,000 naira. The next thing we do is to ensure that x, which is the variable we are trying to look for, is left alone at this part of the equation. As we make it subject formula. How do we do that? We'll divide both sides by 5 boys. So divide both sides of the equation by 5 boys. That is 5 boys times x divided by 5 boys divided by 5 boys equal to 1 boy times 2000 divided by 5 boys. 5 boys crosses out 5 boys. We are now left with x equals to 1 boy times 2000 naira over 5 boys. Boy here, cancel boy here, crosses out boy here. We are left with 1 times 2000 naira, and that gives us what? 2000 naira divided by what? 5. 2000 divided by 5 simply gives us x equals to 400 naira. So therefore, x equals to 400 naira. X equals to 400 naira equals to the amount received by each of the boys. I hope this solution was helpful. You can drop your likes and comments after going through this. Thank you.